everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the Colourpop and Sailor Moon palette with the cutest packaging I have ever seen in my life. I really have fond memories of growing up at sleepovers watching Sailor Moon with one of my best friends. So I just had to get this palette when I saw it. It is so cute. It's very pastel and shimmery, which I think is great for spring and summer, and looking at it just makes me very happy. So I'm really glad I got my hands on this and got to play around with it. At the end of this video, I am going to be giving you my final thoughts on the palette as well. I have used it a couple times prior to this, so it'll be like a little mini review. First, I'm going to go in with this peachy shade called Twilight Flash. I'm taking a blending brush. Any blending brush will do. This is the one from the Makeup by Mario and Sephora collection, but again, you can use any old blending brush that you have lying around. Taking that Twilight Flash shade, I'm just going to pop that in the crease. Now I'm taking this yellow shade called Justice, and I'm going to pop it all over the lid. I'm just using a standard shading brush. This one is from the Makeup by Mario and Sephora collection as well. Any little shading brush will do. If you have the dual-ended brushes from the Anastasia palettes, the little shading side on that is a good dupe for this little brush here. I'm just going back in with that peachy shade in the blending brush. I'm popping that right in the crease. And I'm going back in with that yellow Justice shade. Now I'm going to take Full Moon, which is right here, and I'm going to take that on my ring finger. I'm only popping the shimmer shades on the center. To further brighten things up, I'm going to take Silver Millennium on my ring finger as well. And I'm going to pat that over the Full Moon shade. Just a tiny bit. Do you see how the light is just catching that? And then I'm going to buff out the crease one more time. Now I'm just going to do a wing with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. So I'm just going to take basically where the rim of my eye on the bottom comes, I'm going to flick upwards from there. Now I'm just going to do my other eyeshadow and liner, pop on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll be right back. Now I'm taking the shade Love, and I'm going to run that under my bottom lash line. I'm just taking a little smudger brush. Any smudger brush will do. I took it under the wing as well. And then I'm just going to take a clean little pencil brush and buff that out. Now I'm just going to add some mascara on my bottom lashes. So my thoughts on the palette, I have, like I said in the beginning, used this a couple times prior to this, and I really like this palette a lot. I'm not just saying that because I am a huge fan of Colourpop and that I like Sailor Moon. I think the packaging is adorable. I think the shades are very cute. They were all very pigmented and blended well on the eyes, not just the ones I used today, but shades I've used in the past. The shimmers are great. I just love Colourpop's formula. So yeah, I have no complaints about the palette. People have been complaining about fallout, but I didn't really experience that while working with that. I don't really have a heavy hand when I dip into it, and I go little by little and build it up, as I do with all eyeshadow. So it was never really an issue with me. I don't mind any fallout typically, as long as it's not crazy like the Subculture palette. Yeah, I have no complaints. I like the palette. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye!